Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best Himalayan salt lamp that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best Himalayan Salt Lamp. Have you ever been in someone's home and noticed a glowing, craggy object sitting on a table? Chances are you were looking at a Himalayan salt lamp. These lamps are crystals carved from amber-colored Himalayan rock salt. They are hollowed out to fit a light bulb inside of them. A natural Himalayan salt lamp lit up, though it is naturally a light pink color. Number 5. Fab Glass and Mirror SL Sibe 94 Metal Basket Salt Lamp. These natural rock salt extracts baskets are minimalistic and sensational and perfect for the reception countertops. Available in a number of amazing shapes. Main features: UL approved safety cord. Fully assembled. 100% pure. Number 4. Lavoitkana Himalayan Salt Lamp Pink Rock Large. With the well-polished rubber wood base, it can last longer than other wooden materials, even with prolonged use. Ideal for the center of a coffee table or desk. Main features: nice relaxing ambience. Safer and adjustable. 2 extra bulbs. Number 3. Natural Himalayan hand-carved salt lamp 8 to 9 inches. Whether you'd perfect a luminous glow for reading, soft illumination to lull yourself into a serene slumber, or any level in between, you will find your perfect balance. Main features: 100% money-back guarantee. Natural glow. Best quality. Number 2. 100% authentic natural Himalayan salt lamp. This lovely piece of art is great for anyone interested in healthy living, feng shui. Loved ones, parents, college students, colleagues, yoga enthusiasts. Main features: 100% satisfaction guarantee. Authentic salt lamp. Crafted wood base. Number 1. Himalayan Pink Salt Lamp Basket with Cord and Bulb. Great as a bed light, decorative light, meditation lamp, and more. Himalayan salt lamps are unique home items, and their soft warm glow makes them excellent for mood lighting. Main features: 100% all natural. Multi-purpose. Hand cut. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.